In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect my Samsung S24 to my Samsung TV so you can watch movies and browse internet and everything in the big Samsung screen. First, you need to take your remote for Samsung TV, press source on the top right hand corner, then choose screen mirroring. Now you can see screen mirroring. TV Samsung is trying to connect. Now you go to your phone, swipe it down and choose smart view in the top bottom left. Then you can see the TV Samsung appears on the screen. Now go to just press the TV Samsung mirror screen. Now you can see in the TV Samsung S24 is now connected. This is how easy you can connect within seconds your Samsung TV, smart TV to your Samsung S24 Android phone. This is very handy feature. You can watch anything wirelessly while sitting on your sofa, movies, YouTube videos, everything. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. If you like it, please give a thumb up to this video. Thank you.